Andrew, you can come to the board. You're to the board. That was way more than 5 seconds. All right, now you should have all labeled. Andrew, you have to keep up track. You're doing it on the board. Do you have your pencil? All right, label it. Next, what do we do? Raise your hand. What are we going to do next, Ethan? Well, he said next we're going to write the numbers. What's a fiercer way to say that? Next we're going to, what do you think, Jasmine? You got 10 seconds, go. 10, 9, 8. What are we going to do next? Turn to your partner. Back in 3, 2, 1. What are you going to do next, Miss Ivy? Next, we're going to set up our, what do you think, Nate? Our ones in with our manipulator. Say with our. I'm actually going to give you an extra challenge today. I want to see if you can set up all place values for this. Go. Who's in me first? Hands under him when you're finished. Using your words, tell your partner what you're doing. I'm setting up this many tens because these are 8. How many was it?
Can you use your words to tell me what you did?
What you asked.
Hands on your head when you're finished. Do you agree or disagree with what Andrew did at the board? Dominic. I love that he's checking.
I'm agreeing with what Andrew did because I see 3 tens and 8, 308 tens and 0 ones.
Which is exactly what we have here, right? 380. So now we're going to start subtracting. Start subtracting in the ones, go. Come on. What do you notice? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, Katie. Ethan. Freeze. Rocketeers, your eyes are on Katie. We don't have what? We don't have enough ones. Do we have enough?
If we don't remove left and break it into 10.
So what are you going to do? Tell me what you're going to do, Katie. I'm sorry, Emily. We're going to.
To the
Do you agree with that? What do you think, Zuri? I'm sorry. What do you think, Janai? I agree or I disagree? So you agree with Katie? All right. So I want you to all. Was everyone listen to what Katie just said?
Katie.
Yeah, Katie and then Zuri. Janai agreed with her. I'm sorry, Emily. Oh. And what Emily said? You're gonna take. She said you're gonna take 1 from the 10. You're going to go to the Benjamin's Terrace, and you're gonna get
10.
Do it. Go. Oh, we got 2 groups finished. If you're finished, why don't you double check? Make sure you have 10. Don't make a mistake. Josiah's double checking.
So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 so far. No, because in the one we had a 0. So if the one had a 1, then we were supposed to have an 11, but we have 10. So if it would have 0, then it would make 10. But if it had 2, that means that we had to put 12.
Back in 3, 2, 1. What did we just do? Tell me, what did we just do? Why did we do this? Why did we do what we just did? We did it so we could subtract. And now what do we think? What do I think? What's the next step? What do we think? What do you think, Bella? We think. What's the next question? You always think with subtraction. Yaslin?
What do we need to do is we need to go to 10 and then we need to cross off the 8 and put a 7 and then
A 7? And an 8? What is it really? What place value is it? It's a 10, right? So is it an 8? 8 bananas, 8 what? 8 tens, which is 80. So we're going to take 1 away from 80 and we're going to get 70. And then we're going to add that 10 to the
1.
You got 7 seconds. Go. Logan and Jonathan, switch seats. Move your bodies. Go. Back in 3, 2, 1. So what I see up here, just to review quickly, he took 1 away from 80 and he got 70. He added that over into the ones. So he has 10 ones. Now we think, do we have enough? Do we have enough? Do we have enough?
Yes!
So do we need to move left again?
No!
How many are you going to subtract, Diego?
We are going to subtract 5 ones.
Go.
It's the one.
Oh, okay. Can you please return that 10 thing? All right. Now, check with your algorithm. See if you did it right with your algorithm in the ones. subtract in the tens. Huh. What do you think about that, Miss Phoebe? Are we gonna subtract in the tens next?